Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com meteorologist. This is going to cut into the overnight outlook. I'm not going to really go into a lot of details on the overnight outlook tonight, just because we have a severe weather situation here in the Roanoke and Triad regions. Down through South Carolina, we have a tornado watch in effect at 4 in the morning. This includes Roanoke, this includes Charlottesville, this includes Richmond, this includes Charlotte, this includes Greensboro. This goes all the way down into South Carolina. And there's a lot of energy here. A lot of the low-level jets really kicking in here ahead of the front. And with that, with the front to the west, with the winds coming out of the west, the low-level jet cutting in from the south, it gives you some problems with rotation in the atmosphere. When you get that, you can get tornadoes. We have strong wind shear available here. You're going to be very low-top storms. You're not going to see a lot of storms. Much like a couple weeks ago, these storms will be very fast to develop. So your warning lead time is going to be very thin in these areas. Just want to give you a heads up. Even after this passes and we lose tornado threat, we're going to be having some really high winds. We have a wind advisory in effect for the Roanoke Valley and the Triad. So we're going to go into that also. But okay, let's take a look at radar at this time. Here's a radar image. Here's Roanoke City. You can see there's a line to the west, and these storms that are ahead of it are really what you got to watch out for some rotation. These numbers you're seeing are rotation couplets showing some form of rotation involved with these storms. This is courtesy WDBJ7. You see there's 3 south of Roanoke. These mountains are really getting interactive, and we have to watch out for tornado warning. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning for Martinsville at the time. It's 9:07 at night. Currently, you see there's also a lot of lightning in the storms to the west. A couple of things you got to watch out for. Here we have slight risk area. This includes Roanoke, Lynchburg, most of North Carolina, down in South Carolina. You see where the slight risk sits. Tornado risk. Five percentiles all the way now back into Roanoke, which is pretty bad. A lot of rotation possible in storms, and the wind damage also could be an issue. Alright. Here's the Roanoke area. You can see, I don't know if you can see this right on this, it's pretty close to the bottom. I didn't zoom down far enough. But you have the southeast winds at the lowest level, and you have a strong wind above that from the southwest. That's going to cause some rotation, and that's going to go straight up through the atmosphere, and the winds increase in height. So this is very good. This is the Roanoke's latest sounding. This is a pretty good sounding for rotation in this atmosphere. So stuff we can't, definitely can't rule out seeing tornadoes tonight in the Roanoke Valley. You have only -2 on the lifted index and a 300 in the Cape, but you don't need the Cape with all the energy, wind energy this with this storm, with the low pressure. Here's the shear. You can see this is pretty good shear profile in here in Western Virginia. This is all going to progress to the east. It's just low progress to the east, so everybody's going to have a little bit of a chance tonight seeing possible isolated tornado. So everybody should keep their heads up here in the Roanoke Valley and Triad. So for Roanoke Valley, the forecast: shadow shower, thunderstorms, isolated tornadoes are possible this evening. We have a tornado watch at 4 in the morning. 46 degrees. Really odd to say that 46 degrees and tornado watch in the same topic here. One thing you have to watch out: there's going to be rain. If these tornadoes do occur, they'll be rain wrapped. Okay. Secondly, they're nocturnal. You can't see them. So if you see more lightning in these lower top systems, you want to be more aware of rotation. And stay with your local weather service office, your TV stations, or liveweatherblogs.com for the latest. 64 windy tomorrow. Wind advisory in effect. Winds could be up to around 50 miles an hour. Wednesday night, 39. 58 Thursday. 38 Thursday night. 57 Friday. 62 on Saturday. Looks like a beautiful weekend coming up here. And for the Triad, same as Roanoke, tornado watch till 4. 47 degrees, 62, sunny. A little less breezy down in Triad than it will be up in the Roanoke Valley. 37 Wednesday night, 59 on Thursday, 59 on Friday, 63 on Saturday with sunshine throughout the weekend. So stay with liveweatherblogs.com for the latest and severe weather information. I'll be with you throughout the night. For liveweatherblogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davison with your severe weather version of the overnight outlook. Have a great evening.